Excellency He Jian, Vice Administrator of the National Energy Administration and EA of China, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, warm greetings from the ASEAN Secretariat. I'm pleased to address you through this pre-recorded message, and I welcome this opportunity to reaffirm ASEAN's strong support for this forum. ASEAN extends its deep appreciation to the government of China and the National Energy Administration for convening this forum today. The EAS Summit platform is vital in advancing cooperation to strengthen energy security, accelerate clean energy transition, and foster sustainable economic growth across our region. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this forum follows soon after the successful 47th ASEAN Summit and related summit in Kuala Lumpur, where our leaders place inclusivity and sustainability at the center of ASEAN's development agenda. In line with this mandate, ASEAN is intensifying efforts to expand clean energy, strengthen system resilience, and ensure that our people will directly benefit from the progress we made. We are committed to accelerating our renewable energy deployment to meet our collective climate and development goals. Within EAS cooperation, we have advanced practical initiatives under the EAS Energy Cooperation Work Plan. We continue to build on the success of our regional power trade, including the Lao PDR Thailand Malaysia Singapore Power Integration Project, which demonstrates the tangible benefits of cross-border electricity exchange for communities. The ASEAN Power Grid remains a cornerstone of our regional collaboration. The APGF financing initiative will facilitate investment mobilization, improve financing conditions, and accelerate the development of key grid projects that boost system reliability while enabling greater access to cleaner power supply. Innovative technologies are also essential. Cooperation on carbon capture, utilization and storage, digital power systems, and energy storage solutions will help balance clean growth and energy affordability as demand continues to rise. Additionally, waste-to-energy holds significant potential to support circular economy goals and sustainable urbanization in ASEAN. China's experience in renewable energy and power system coordination continues to contribute meaningfully to ASEAN's clean energy direction and connectivity priorities. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the theme, Pragmatic Drive, Future Thrive, reflects our shared conviction that cooperation must deliver real and timely solutions. Let us continue turning plans into projects and ambition into action that improves the lives of our people. We must remain united in our efforts to expand affordable and cleaner energy access, reduce emissions, and enhance resilience. The challenges ahead demand both urgency and partnership. No single nation can achieve energy security and climate goals alone. ASEAN is committed to working closely with all EAS partners as we build a region that is greener, more secure, and more connected. Together, we can shape a thriving energy future for generations to come. Thank you.